Move the vehicle forward.
Just move the vehicle forward.
Last time we darted her, her breathing, her breathing wasn't that good. Don't know if you remember that. I don't want to pick her up now. Just give her she drops down, she doesn't drop down. How was that? Oh, that was awesome. All three cars were there, right? I thought it was chasing. Ja, gaan sommer van Bloetie ook doen. Dion.
Hey, Henry, I see is that really still stuck on the back there.
I'll check that out for them, yeah. So we decided we're doing left front then.
But you already got a call on the left front.
Ach, excuse, right front.
Or back right. Back right.
If we can, let's push a little bit backwards. That's it, that's it. That's it, we're going down. Good. Keep the pressure. That's it. Fantastic, guys.
So she's just walking a while.
Rhino, got the grinder.
No, it's healing nicely, but the back is not healing.
How is this the one from last time? You're going to do increase as well.
Huh? What is it doing? And? Oh, they're phoning me also. I don't have network. See? Okay. Same time, I think we're going to push it over onto the side. Leanne up in your blood track. Start not out yet. Did you? Right, let's push it over. Just watch, let's just get this leg in first. That's not off now. Got the head. Okay, push over, guys.